guys, my cat is there not doing the right thing in my car. Yes, I could grab my camera and record it, but it's super cold out here. Oh my goodness. What are you doing here, kitty? I'm walking outside. Then something funny happens. My cat jumps off a car. What in the world are you doing? Shaddy, what are you doing? What were you even doing? Hey, Shaddy, you shouldn't be out here, you know? Like, when she said meow, that means she doesn't care. But I do. I'm not happy with my cat. Wait a second. Is that car okay? Chatty, what were you doing? Why did you even say I don't care? Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my cat's favorite place. I tracked it, and it said it was on his concert. His favorite place must be what in the world? What are you two guys doing there? You know that's dangerous. They could be a frog. Let's see if I can enter. Oh my goodness. The favorite place from my cat is, don't forget, a concert. But it's a cat concert. It's a very funny place. This is I'm going to concert. Hi, Dad. Hi, meow. Meow, meow. Okay, let's enter to see what's in here. Oh my goodness. No friends. I think I shouldn't even be out there because it's dangerous. I decorated the Halloween. Yeah, sure. This is the part 2. My cat loves being in his concert. Now we have to find him in his concert. There's the only part. His concert is the dangerous place ever. This is a concert. Looks like the desert, not. It doesn't look like actually a. Wait a second. Chat. Look. Where are you? Do you want? If you don't want me to sell your favorite candy, then you have to. Oh, there they are. They're just trying to hide from their daddy. Oh my! Don't. Meow, meow. Hey, what are you doing here? You know you're supposed to be here when you don't ask me to go to your concert. Hey, what did you just do? Look, I'm setting the camera. Oh my. Oh my. Where are you? Are you trying to hide? Don't listen to your brother. He's just trying to be crazy. That's why his name is Loco. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. I don't want to hear it. Now I'm going to have to make another channel. I know that appears. Comment me all of the cat's concerts. And there's an artist channel there. Its name Luck. Its name protect Luck. Oh, what are you doing there? You know that's dangerous. Hey, what are you doing in the desert? You shouldn't pop. Well, at least I'm gonna get that cat. Where is it? Where is this place? I hope you never entered that place because there's where her singer went, and then the character never was found until a mysterious younger version knew that. The only one there was a mysterious alien version, weird baby. So I don't want that to happen to my. Oh, what was that? I didn't want to hear. Cat, what are you doing? Oh, don't you dare! Don't you do it! Oh my! This cat doesn't want to learn from his dad.
Chatty. Métete el gordito.
Chat. Chat.
Ya tenemos. Digo, vente gordito. Pásate. Pásate. Loco. Por ahí.
Chatty. Were you being mean? Meow, no. And were you even taking other food? Meow, no. Ask your friend and ask your friend if you were taking. Meow, no. Were you being kind? Meow, yes. Okay, be kind. Never be respectful. Meow, yes. Meow, no. Meow, yes. But how can I understand if you say no, yes, no, yes? Wait. Bring something we don't need. We don't need this cat. Well, you can't. But I'm talking about because I'm making a garage sale. And you can't bring out my cat. But if you keep bringing it, then do you think I'm going to be happy? Meow, yes. The answer is no, I'm not. Look at him. Don't you think he's just trying to be funny? He's also trying to not get sold by you. Oh my goodness. Do I even need to call the service? Because I don't know if I should call it or not, but I might. Because sometimes I can. Sometimes I can. Sometimes I do can. Now I'll do it. Look, Shat, take out the trash. I'll do it tomorrow. Look, Shat. Clean the backyard. I'll do it next week. Shatty, Lock, Shat. Please clean and make my garage sale go viral. I'll do it next year. I don't know if next year I'm gonna make a new garage sale.